different discussions.
There were many things, including party matters.
But CM candidate achir bhi tashi kine
That's
discussion.
correct.
Okay, Kalka, as far as Aldona Dorikala, how much confidence level? Because last few days, tumka status, Konkani sangla, everybody talks kita kita sagle varanga to gamlala dasta. So how do you see overall this progress?
I'm very confident of winning that Aldona constituency for Indian National Congress, and I think that people would definitely show the vote on 10th. And I think there's a lot of love and affection which has come from people, which you will see, which will have a very clear margin. Thank you.
So today, what about the today's meeting? Can you tell?
Our meeting is over.
What was the reason behind taking the meeting today?
No, we had to have meetings. We have to keep in touch with whatever the party tells us, and we have to follow instructions of the party. Also, guidance was given as to how the counting and certain tips was required to be done. So I think the party has guided in the right direction. That is basic. Thank you.